to show you how I get this super fast and easy 2-minute, maybe 3-minute makeup look on the days that I'm in a super big hurry, or maybe I'm just not in a hurry, but I'm just not really in the mood to pile on a bunch of makeup and do a bunch of steps, but I want to still look put together. So that is what I wanted to show you today. And yes, I'm using my sunglasses to hold my hair back because I cannot stand when people do their makeup with their hair touching their face, but my headband broke, so you know, I grabbed the next best thing, my sunglasses, because I'm gonna wear them today anyways. When I'm wanting to do a super fast and easy makeup routine, I actually skip foundation because today I used my Color Science Flex sunscreen. I mixed the medium and the tan together to get the perfect shade for me, but usually medium works just fine for me. But this is like a medium coverage foundation, so if I don't want to do all those extra steps, I just make sure I use a good amount of the sunscreen to get the proper SPF coverage, but it gives me beautiful medium, almost full coverage to my face. I can also skip my concealer step if I don't have a lot of darkness under my eyes. I mean, I do have this hollowed out area, and I could use some concealer to kind of mask that, but I'm gonna have on sunglasses most of today, so it won't really matter. But I've already used my Color Science, my all-time favorite 3-in-1 Total Eye. This is like an under eye concealer, a brightener, it's a color corrector, but it's an all mineral SPF 35. So if you're looking for a product that you can put around your eyes that's not gonna burn or sting, this is one of my all-time favorites, but it's like 3 or 4 products in one. And then I'm also skipping a highlighter today because I also used another one of Color Science's sunscreens. This is their Glow sunscreen. So this just gives me kind of that lit from within glow. But as you notice, I'm just layering a bunch of sunscreen. So I'm making sure I have really good protection for the day, but it will help me to make my makeup routine super fast and easy. After I have all my sunscreens layered on in my skincare routine to make my makeup routine super fast and easy, I do want to add a little bit of color to my face. So instead of doing a separate blush, separate bronzer, separate highlighter, I'm just going to use this bronzer that kind of doubles as a contour, a bronzer, a blush. I'm going to also use this as an eyeshadow. This is one, you can pick it up at Sephora. It's by Makeup Forever. I'll link everything I'm using down below, but this is their Artist Face Color in the shade S116. This is the perfect all-in-one shade to use all over your face. It blends seamlessly onto my skin, and I'm also using this Rephr brush. This is the 505 Rephr brush. I'm gonna put a little bit of my Milani eye primer on. Even though I'm in a hurry, I do still want what I'm putting on my eyelids to stay put. So I always use a quick amount of eye primer. To give my eyes a little definition, I'm gonna use this same bronzer that I used all over my face, and I'm gonna use it on my eyes. I'm not going to waste time curling my eyelashes, so I'm going to use my all-time favorite City Beauty Beyond Mascara. This will help lift, curl, lengthen my lashes, and this also is like a lash treatment in one, so it keeps my lashes super healthy and strong so that they don't fall out. For my lips, I'm going to use one of my other favorites from Color Science. This is their Color Balms, and this is also an SPF 50. I just put my finger in this, get a little bit of the product, warm it up in my fingers. I'll use this on my cheeks and on my lips. You can also use these on your eyes. They have some other shades that are really great if you want to have sunscreen and a little color on your eyes as well. And I'll top it with a little bit of my City Lips Plumping Lip Gloss. I almost forgot, I do like to put a little something in my brows really quickly, so I just kind of take a Q-tip, wipe off any sunscreen or whatever that's kind of sitting in them, and then I'll get this messy mascara off my eyelids in a little bit. But I'm just gonna use my e.l.f. Wow Brow. It's super fast and easy, brushes through my brows, but it makes them look, you know, not as thin and sparse as they really are. And then I'm pretty much done, but I shared this little hack the other day of how to give yourself like a facelift using just a concealer. So I always like to quickly do this on my skin just to kind of lift everything afterwards. I'll show you one side real quick and then I'll do the other. And this is so fast, but it just kind of helps lift everything after you've done your makeup. And I can even put a little bit right here just to kind of help cover up these little bags. This is by Revlon, I believe, this concealer, but again, I'm gonna link everything down below. And that's pretty much it when I'm trying to do a super fast and easy maybe 3, 4, I don't know, 5-minute makeup routine. Of course, I can do this a whole lot faster when I'm not talking, you know, through the whole thing. So usually I can do this in a good 2 to 3 minutes. But I wanted to share with you, since I'm doing this super fast and easy skincare routine, and maybe you looked at the time on the actual video and you're like, oh my gosh, that's not a 2-minute makeup routine. If you only wanted to see the makeup routine, then you can click out of this video. But I am over in South America right now, in Punta del Este, Uruguay is where we're staying. We've been over here for probably 3 months, and we're going to be staying for another 2 months. So I figured I would take you guys along with me today, and we're going to just drive up the coast and then go to one of our favorite bakeries. We go there, it's a panaderia, I think is how you say it, and we go there like every Friday, and we, you know, eat like cows. It's one of our favorite bakeries. So I just thought I would take you guys along with me, show you a little bit of the scenes. If you're not interested in my travels and what we're doing in different countries, click off this video now. But if you wanted to stick around and see where we are and what we're doing, then keep watching. We're about to drive over this bridge, and I want to show you guys how fun it is. It's not a straight bridge. It's like this wavy bridge. It's something famous, like if you see postcards or if you look up Uruguay, a lot of times that bridge pops up. But every time we go over it, we always scream. It feels like you're like going over a roller coaster, but of course I'll leave the screaming out so I don't hurt anyone's ears. We're just pulling over right here because I want to just step out and walk over and show you how beautiful the ocean is. You can't really see it from the camera angle, so I'm just going to walk out and show you what it looks like. Since I don't have my hat on right now, I always want to keep retouching my sunscreen throughout the day. So I'm just going to use my Color Science Brush On Sunscreen. It's an SPF 50 all mineral powder.
Buenas. ¿Puedo tener uno de esos de jamón crudo? Sí.
¿Para aquí o para llevar?
Para acá, y si lo puedo cortar por la mitad. Y también uno de milanesa por la mitad.
Por la mitad, sí.
Gracias.
Parte 2.
right, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little bit of this beautiful country in Punta del Este, Uruguay, and I will see you guys next time.
Bye!
Let's turn back around so we can go over the bridge one more time the way we really go over the bridge. Yeah, one more time. And hopefully we can go over it fast like we normally do.
Right.
Oh shoot, the battery's about to die.
All right,
Okay, go punch
it up.
The battery's
1,
gonna die.
2,
3.
not yet.
Oh wait.
3.